On July 13, 2016, Tesla presented its Model X 60D, which is somewhat lower estimated than the Model X's beginning cost. The Model X 60D has a 200 miles, 320 kilometers, extend and can quicken from 0 to 60 miles per every hour in 6 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.2 seconds, with a best speed of 130 miles per hour, 210 kilometers per hour. The battery can be overhauled by programming to 75 kilowatt-hours. Following quite a while of deferrals and widespread hypothesis, it's at long last authority, the Model X has arrived. In a live occasion at the organization's processing plant in Fremont, California, Tesla CEO Elon Musk actually gave out keys to the primary models off the creation line, itemizing the vehicle's highlights and capacities en route. The Model X is encircled as a uber-safe, uber-clean, semi-independent, very down-to-earth, throughout the entire electric range SUV fit for humiliating in-your-face sports autos in a speed challenge. That is a considerable measure to bite on, notwithstanding for the most troublesome automaker on the piece. Dissimilar to Tesla's first model, the Lotus LE Space Roadster, the Model X was constructed absolutely in-house utilizing the current Model S stage. Notwithstanding, dissimilar to the car, this SUV can sit up to 7 travelers and convey a loft of stuff, all while going 250 miles in a charge and hitting 60 miles per hour sufficiently fast to influence you to see plaid. Obviously, there's something else entirely to the plan than simply great looks. Electric vehicles are machines of little picks-up signifying enormous contrasts, including the streamlined features. In that capacity, Tesla made a huge effort to cut away all of drag from the Model X's shape. The outcome is a 0.24 drag coefficient, which Tesla claims makes the Model X the most streamlined SUV underway. That drag coefficient figure is an entire 20% lower than the following most streamlined SUV, which is enormous in a section where effectiveness is above all else. Supplementing this, we discover dynamic streamlined features in the back with a consequently altering spoiler that either broadens or withdraws into 3 settings, contingent upon the vehicle's speed. At bring-down rates, 45 miles per hour and beneath, the spoiler offers greatest perceivability, while higher paces see the spoiler withdraw somewhat for either higher productivity or ideal downforce. The spoiler is likewise outfitted with a halfway mounted stoplight,